How to call someone who blocked you without any apps. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this following video, I'm going to show you the ways to call someone who blocked you without any app. So if somebody has blocked you, then it must be a reason, and you wish to contact the person, then what you need to do is, in order to fix it, so there's some alternative ways on how you can contact them. However, these methods might not be reliable. You can give it a try. If not, you could go ahead and proceed with the next step. So first thing, you have to go and open up your call logs, and here what next you have to do is open up your keypad and then type in *67. When you do that, type in the phone number of the person that somebody has actually blocked you. Now this code will block your number so that your call shows up as unknown or private number. You could go ahead and enter the code before the number that you dialed, like *67, and then type in the number, and you should be able to contact the following person who has blocked you. If this is not the case, what next you can do is you can use somebody else's devices in order to contact the person who has blocked you. That must be a reliable method on doing it. So that is how you can call someone who has blocked you. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.